guys out there, this is RockinRaffi welcoming you to another episode of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. If you guys are here for the first time, I want to welcome you to my channel, and don't forget to click that subscribe button right down below. You probably already stuffed yourself with a bunch of carbs through the holiday seasons. Well, now it's time to give your body a break. We're going to be making a carb-free dinner with a lean protein dish. This meal is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B, and we're going bananas over this one because it actually has more potassium than a banana. We're going to be making salmon with a mustard dill dressing on top. And the type of salmon we're going to be using is wild caught. And to add some Christmas spirit to our plate, we're going to be serving this up with two colors that are very well known for this time of year, green and red. We'll be boiling up some broccoli, and we'll also be adding roasted pearl tomatoes. This special dinner has only 7 ingredients, and that's also including our superstar of this show, the salmon. Without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready. It's time to get the Jingle Bell Rock. Now let's start with preheating our oven to 375 degrees. Combine a 1/4 cup of mustard, 1 tablespoon of dry dill, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 whole zest of a lemon, dash of sea salt and pepper. Mix all ingredients well together with a wire whisk until it's fully blended. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the bottom of a foil tray and spread throughout the bottom using your hands. Place the salmon on top and using a chef's knife, make 3 slits in an angle on top of the salmon. Using a pastry brush, paint your salmon completely with the mustard dill dressing until it's all covered up. Cover with foil and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Take it out of the oven, remove the foil and broil on high for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's boil water in a saucepan and add the fresh broccoli and let it simmer for about 7 minutes. Taking your tomatoes on the vine, place them on the baking tray and drizzle some olive oil, freshly diced garlic, salt and pepper. Let's roast the pearl tomatoes at 375 degrees for 10 minutes. And here it is. Look at this amazing dish. Now these pearl tomatoes look like edible Christmas ornaments that you can actually eat. Look at our broccoli, nice and green, packed with vitamins, and our final star. Check this out, our wild caught salmon with an awesome mustard dill topping. This is the perfect time of the year to make this again on your Christmas table. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive in. Look how awesome and pink that salmon looks. This is perfect. Let me tell you guys are missing out. If you guys have never had this before, the first time I had this, I was blown away by it. This was several years back. Make this, your guests are going to go crazy for this and the recipe. And you're going to tell them what? You got it right here on RockinRaffi's YouTube channel. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts on this recipe. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. And most of all, that bell. Don't forget to click on that bell so you're notified when my next videos upload. I want to wish everyone out there a Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday, and a happy, prosperous new year. And until next year, keep on rocking!